Hello everyone, welcome to CorePulse Technologies. In this series, we'll explore our innovative hotel management solution and how it can transform your hotel operations. In this first episode, we'll introduce you to the core system and its functionalities. Managing a hotel can be challenging, coordinating with the staff, managing booking, ensuring guest satisfaction, and controlling cost at the same time. Requires seamless control. CorePulse simplifies these operations, allowing you to focus on delivering exceptional guest experience. Our hotel management solution is streamlined all aspects of hotel operations. It is divided into two key components in our system. First is the customer-facing website. This is the customer-facing website of the system that is publicly available for your guest. And the second part is the admin panel. So this customer-facing website is where your guest can come to the website and they can view the rooms. They can browse rooms. They can check the availability of the rooms. You can set up different branches over here. They can view the amenities. Your guest can also make reservations from the online system effortlessly. Meanwhile, the admin portal empowers you to manage the staff and everything behind the scenes. So this website is available for your guest. They can view the aesthetic of your hotel. They can view the pictures of the room. You can set up the price of the different rooms. So this is it for the website. Let's talk about the admin section of the admin portal. So let's log into the admin account. So this is the super admin panel. Well, first of all, let me tell you, there are three different types of access your staff can get. First is the super admin access that is going to be available for owners and management. The second is branch manager that is going to be specifically related to a branch. Branch manager cannot view the overall stats of the hotel. And then the third access is for the staff. That access is going to be for the staff, like receptionist, housekeeping staff, they can get their pop-ups. So when we talk about the dashboard, this dashboard provides a comprehensive view of the hotel performance. These key metrics include total number of orders received, like total number of orders you have received, you have active 14 coupons, the revenue, the number of rooms that are booked today, this is going to be live, and the number of guests that are staying right now. So when you scroll down, this dashboard also features a real-time occupancy of the guest. This is the occupancy chart. This shows how many rooms are occupied on a specific day across all branches. This information is going to be about whole branches, like if you have 20 branches or 2 branches. So you can view the total occupancy of the system. When a branch manager logs in, this data is not going to be displayed. So it's going to be displayed, but as per the branch. From here, you can check in how many guests are going to check in today, and from here you can view which guests are going to check out today. So these are some entries that we have created for test purposes. Okay, so now talk about the branches and branch managers. So if there is a branch, there's supposed to be a branch manager. You can create a branch manager as like one branch manager, two branch manager, any branch manager you want to create. You come to this part and you just click on the add the manager. You select their title, their details, you fill in their details, and then you save this. So your branch manager is going to be created. So when you come to branches, we have already created some test branches. So now let's talk about creating another branch. So I've just clicked the add button. I create a test branch. These are the test entries right now. Now you can also select the text system. Like if you are in New York, so you can select the New York text lab. And if you have your hotel have a restaurant, so you can also select the text for that as well. Like if our hotel is in New York and it has a restaurant, so you can also select, you can upload the images here, and then you are going to click save, so the branch is going to be saved. So we already have some branches, so right now we do not need to save the information. You can also create the text information from here. We have created some entries. This add button is going to be very user friendly for you, and you just click on this add button and you can add any detail you want to add. Like if we are going to add text for Minnesota, so text code. Okay, so the type is going to be percentage and rate is going to be like 14, 15, whatever, and then you are going to save this. So now we have successfully created the new task. We can also create the mail templates which are going to be synchronized throughout the system. If we have 20 branches, all of these branches are going to send the similar email. We just click on the add template and then add the details, name, subject, and the content of the email. So the system is very simple. You can also select the locations of your hotel. Like if your hotel is multinational, so it's in different countries, you can create Pakistan, United States, UAE. You can also select the currency of the hotel. So let's log into one of the branches. We are going to log into 123 main branch. Now I have successfully logged into this branch. When a specific branch manager is going to sign into this branch, he's going to see this screen. So this specific branch has 5 orders, 128 revenue, and 4 rooms. These are the test entries that we have created, but similar to the admin dashboard, the branch manager is also going to see the occupancy here and the guest check-in and check-out. Once the branch manager has logged into this, so he or she is going to set up the branch. They are going to go to the hotel configuration, and then they are going to set up the branch Once the branch is set up, then the hotel manager need to configure the branch. This process is supposed to be done once. So several important settings needs to be configured once for each branch. Let's create the floors for this branch. Like if your hotel has different floors, so you can add the different floors like first, second, third, executive, standard floor, whatever you like, or however it's done at your branch. You can also add the branch floor. Write the name of the floor here, number of the floor. If it's not in the use of staff or it's active for customers, you can click active, and you can also add a simple description as well. We have successfully created the floor. It can be described however you like. So when we have created the number of floors in our hotel, then we need to come to the room types. Now we can create the types of the room. Like we have already created some test entries from the single bed, double bed, queen, superior room. Let's create another type of room. Simply click on the add button. This add button is so friendly. So let's create an executive room. Base occupancy is 1, higher occupancy 2, additional price per person $200, basic price $800 for this room. Kids occupancy 0. What amenities can we offer? Like we have pre-created these entries, so I can select parking and fitness center and Wi-Fi and breakfast for this. So I'm going to save this information, and now we have successfully created the new type of room. We can also add the picture of the room. But right now I'm not going to do that and save this. Okay, let's talk about amenities. You can create a list of amenities for your rooms. These amenities include Wi-Fi, television, mini marts, or whatever you offer as service. Once defined, these amenities can be assigned to specific rooms and specific types of room. So let's talk about the room setup. So these are the room. This is the room setup section. So right now we have 10 rooms here on the first floor, and we can add different rooms to different floors. So let's assign a room to a floor, like we created the executive floor. So select the floor. Okay, so we'll add the room to the 4th floor. Single bed, single bed. We can add how much we like. Executive room. So we are going to save this information, and now we have successfully created 4 rooms on the 4th floor. See, these are the rooms we created right now. You can also set up the types of hall and the halls. Like you create the types of hall and the number of halls you can assign from here. Let's talk about Price Manager. Price Manager enables you to adjust the flexible pricing strategies tailored for the holiday season or any event that is coming up. Like if the cricket World Cup is coming up, so people from all over the world are coming to your city, so you can adjust the pricing of the hotel. Let's set up the regular pricing first. If we select a single bedroom type, and we are going to charge $20 per night, till Thursday, and then on Friday we want to charge $30, Saturday as well and Sunday as well. So what we are doing, we are charging more, $10 more on the weekends. But let's talk about if there's a special event coming up. So what we are going to do, we are going to create an offer. Spring holiday, spring break. Right, the holiday season is coming up, spring break. That is from March 1st till March 15th. So people are gonna be on break, and they are gonna come from all over the country to your city. What we are going to do, we are going to charge $40 each weekday, and then from Friday to Sunday we are going to charge $60. So we'll save this. If a person's come between January, February, or after 15 March, they'll be charged $20 on weekdays for a single room, but they'll be charged $30 on a weekend. Like if a person comes in and book the hotel room for Wednesday till Saturday, so it's going to, the total amount he's going to be paying is $100, like 20 for Wednesday, 20 for Thursday, and 30 for Saturday and Friday. But if the same persons come during the spring break, so he's going to be charged special prices, like $40 for Monday, $40 for Tuesday. And if he books a room for Saturday to Tuesday, like he's gonna check in on Saturday and check out on Tuesday, so that the amount is going to be $200. So when the special price is set and the duration comes, like the March 1st comes, so if any guest books the room, they are going to be charged these special prices rather than the regular price of the room. The system always prefers the special prices during the specific duration that it is set for. Otherwise it will automatically accept the regular pricing of the rooms. You can set these promotional rates for occasions, holidays, festival, or significant events. There are also additional features like paid services and coupon management. So the paid services is like if some hotels offer laundry services that are paid, some hotels offer ironing services, some hotels offer gym for as paid service. So if you want to charge someone for service, like we are going to charge them for gym, okay, and this is going to be available for the executive clients. Okay, so the price is going to be per person, it's 50, and then I'll click active. If anybody books a room and single bed, double, in superior, double, or executive room, so they are going to be offered the service of gym at $50 per day. You can select the rate as per your convenience per night per person. They can be tailored to hall as well. So let's talk about coupon management now. Okay, so our system allows you to create and manage discount coupons, offering flexibility for marketing promotions. Key features include coupon creation. First of all, you can set up any coupon you want, like 10% discount, 15% discount. Let's add a coupon so you can see what this is all about. So let's say we are going to offer a 15% off for Christmas. Okay, so you can add the details of your offer here, and you can also choose the image. So what we are going to do, we are going to set up the duration of the coupon. Like if this is about Christmas, so we are going to offer this discount from 15 December till 31st. And then apply. So we can create a specific coupon code, whatever we want to create, like 15 off holiday. You can keep it simple as you want. So there's an option between which you can decide this coupon is going to offer discount on room charges or service charges. Like we have add-on amenities and other services. So are we going to offer the discount on room charges or the service charges? Let's select the room charges. So type of the discount, we decided 15% off, so we are going to keep it in the percentage, but we can also offer ₹100 off, $100 off, or $200 off, whatever you decide. So I'm going to keep it to the percentage. And the coupon value is going to be 15%. So this is the value of the coupon, that is 15. Okay, minimum amount. If like someone is coming for 20% off or a 15% off, someone is booking the room for 100%, for $100. So if you are going to offer them 30 or 40% discount, that is not gonna work. So we are going to set up a minimum cap. That is going to be minimum order amount should be $100. So now if we talk about the maximum amount, this is the threshold to prevent excessive discount. For example, if a person purchases the order for $5,000 and then this 15% is going to give him the discount of 1,500 rupees. So that is a huge amount. This ensures that the hotel does not incur excessive costs. So we are going to set up a cap here for the room, for the amount, that is $200 is going to be the maximum amount that is to be offered to the customers. So we can also select this offer for specific rooms. Like right now I'm going to choose double room. So this specific offer is going to be applied to double room. If we want, we can add all the rooms. Other than that, we can also set the limit per use, like each person can use this coupon once. And this is the number of coupons, limit per coupon. So the number of coupons we are going to offer, let's say we are going to offer 50 coupons for this offer. So we'll set up all this information and then we'll save this. This is right now pending because the duration has not come and this cannot be availed right now. But once the system is going to, once the time is going to arrive, so this going to be valid. This is the pending offer. You can create offers in advance, like for Christmas, for holiday season, whatever you like. So this is it. Now we are going to talk about the operational support, like the housekeeping status. So the rooms are supposed to be cleaned and needs cleaning. There are two kind of status that we have already entered in the system. So we can also add any status that we like if the room is going to need deep clean, so we can add deep clean status, and we are offering that service or not, that's also depend, and you can also choose between the active and inactive. Then save this. So when someone comes into the room and the room is when the guests are traveling and they want the room to be clean, they can select the need cleaning button, and when your staff has cleaned the room, so they can also select cleaned status. So if someone has checked out and the rooms need some deep cleaning, so this can also be set up. Okay, so there is another option, that is checklist item. These checklist item are for the guest before the guest check out. Staff is assigned to inspect the room. The system provides a checklist for each room type. Like some rooms have TV, coffee maker, iron, sometimes the stuff go missing. So we can select and create any kind of checklist item. Like iron, one iron, an executive room, double bed, so when we have created an item, the item is iron, and this is going to be applied to all the categories that I add. So it has 2 irons. So when a person leaves the room, the employee will get a checklist. That is a pre-checkout checklist. So the hotel staff is going to check and verify the items are available or not. So we have successfully created the checkout list item. So the iron is applied to these 4 rooms. Like suite have 2 irons, you can also edit this or delete. Once we have set up the branches, rooms and floors, amenities, pricing, so the hotel branch is configured and ready to accept bookings. In the next section, we will cover bookings process and its workflow in detail. So see you next time.